Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover your Gmail password without recovering your email and phone number. First of all, what you have to do is to open your Chrome or any web browser. Here we can check how to recover your Gmail password. Scroll it down and tap on this link. Here you can read all types of questions. Here are all the answers to the issues you are facing. You can also get more by following some easy steps. If you forgot your password or username or you can't get your verification codes, follow a few basic steps to recover your Gmail. Scroll down to Need More Help section. Now tap on the Post to the Help community. Scroll it down and tap on Post a question. Here in the summary of your issue box, you can write your problem, like my Gmail account is not recovered. You can explain your problem over here and your account will be recovered hopefully. In the category section, select Account Access and Recovery. You can also add any screenshot or attachment of the issue you are facing. Now tap on the next step and select Account Recovery here. By submitting this form, your application will be reviewed soon. In this way, you can recover your Gmail password without recovering your email and phone number. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.